welcome back to my channel Nandan Brothers. We are Nandan Brothers. Friends, today I am going to say the easiest way to memorize the 9 table by your fingers. So let's begin. Your hands in front of you so that you can see your palms. To show the 9 table, we are going to use all our 10 fingers. We must label them from 1 to 10. Starting from your left thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we are going to find out what is 1 times 9. Fold out your left thumb, which is 1. You have 9 fingers standing. So 1 times 9 is 9. Now we will find out what is 2 times 9. Fold out your second finger from your left, which we call out 2. On your left you have only 1 and on your right you have 8. So join them together and you have 18. Now we will find out what is 3 times 9. Fold out your third finger, which we call out 3. Now on your left you have 2 and on your right you have 7. Now join them together, you have 27. Fold your fourth finger from your left, which is 4. On your left you have 3 and on your right you have 6. Join them together, you have 36. Now we will find out what is 5 times 9. Fold out your fifth finger from your left. Now on your left you have 4 and on your right you have 5. The answer is 45. Now we will find out what is 6 times 9. Fold your sixth finger. On your left you have 5 and on your right you have 4. Join them together, you have 54. Now we will find out what is 7 times 9. Fold your seventh finger from your left. Now on your left you have 6 fingers and on your right you have 3. Join them together, you have 63. Now we will find out what is 8 times 9. Fold your eighth finger from your left. On your left you have 7 fingers and on your right you have 2. The answer is 72. Now fold the 9th finger from your left to find out what is the answer of 9 times 9. On your left you have 8 fingers and on your right you have only 1 finger. Join them together, you have 81. Now we will find out what is 9 times 1. 9 times 10. Fold your 10th finger from your left. You have 9 fingers on your left and 0 on the right. Now you have 90. If you like my video, like it, share it and subscribe it. If you click the bell icon, you will be notified if I upload any new video. Thank you all. Bye.